Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to install Tor browser on Linux. So, first of all, we need to go into another browser because we'll go into the official Tor browser site in order to download a tar file that we will need basically in order to install our Tor browser. So, I will type in Tor browser for Linux and I will press enter. I will show you basically two installations. The first one, the one that I'm doing here, should work on every Linux distribution. The second one that I will show you in a second, I will work 100% on Ubuntu and Debian. I don't think you can test on the other distribution, but I'm not sure. But right now I am doing this installation for every distribution. So tor-project.org is a site /download. We have to choose one option. Of course we are using to download for Linux. So we have to press on that and our tar file is downloading. As you can see, it has 131 megabytes. It is not really big, so we have to wait a bit. As you can see, it will be completed. It is completed. So now we can close this browser. It will be not useful anymore. And now we can go into terminal. In the terminal, I think the most comfortable way will be going to the download section. And inside the download section, we have Tor browser Linux and the numbers. We have to extract that. We can extract that by using tar command. If you don't know how to use tar command, you can watch my video when I basically recorded how to use tar command. And we have to use option -x, stands for extract, V basically will show us the files, J allows us to extract XZ format, and F stands for file name. And right now we have to type in the file name, so Tor browser -Linux and so on. We can fill that by typing in tab on our keyboard. I think it is useful. We can press enter and we are extracting our archive. Now we have to wait a bit, and now we have to list that. And as you can see, we have the Tor browser folder right there. We have to go into it, so cd tor browser. I can list that again, and we have something what we call start-tor-browser.desktop. We have to basically start that by how can we start that? Basically we have to do the same as we would start a script, so / and the name of the thing that we want to start, so start browser desktop. We have to press enter, and we have to wait a bit because we are launching browser. As you can see, our Tor browser is working. So this is the first option. The second option is using the command, because the main con of this option is that we don't have a icon right there. And if we want to open our browser, we have to go into terminal, we have to go into this folder, and we have to run this script every single time. So it's not really comfortable. We can use the command that will work on Ubuntu and on Debian. I'm not sure if it is working on the different distributions, so you can check it on your own, but the command looks like this. So we have to install. So of course sudo install. And something what we call Tor browser -launcher, like this. We have to press enter, we have to type in the password, and now we have to wait a bit. Do you want to continue? Yes. We have to type in Y and press enter. Y basically stands for yes, because we are agreeing for everything. And now we have to wait a bit. As you can see, almost 99%. And after it, we will be able to open the Tor browser from the terminal and also from the icon. So our installation is finished. So the first option from the terminal, Tor browser -launcher, it should work. As you can see, it is working. And downloading Tor browser for the first time, because we are launching it for the first time, we have to download it. So it is necessary, but it is not a big file, so it is almost finished verifying signature. As you can see, downloading the latest Tor browser signing key imported successfully, so everything is working fine. And installing, of course. This is not important because this is a software update of my system. It is not connected with Tor browser, but as you can see, our Tor browser is working. And right now, as I said before, this is the first option of launching it from the terminal, and the second option is basically from using this show apps, and here we have the Tor browser icon. We can click on that and we can launch it by pressing one button on our mouse. So this is how you can download Tor browser on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.